This is second condition. This is first condition. Kadam. Yes, sir. The question, solution is here. You don't need to come and operate the mobile computer, okay? Then equate from 1 and 2. Therefore, a minus 1 by 2 comma b by 2 is equal to 2 comma 4. Equate a minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. B by 2 is equal to 4. Got the answer? A minus 1 is equal to 4. A is equal to how much? 5. B is equal to 8. Therefore, coordinate of C is 5 comma 8. I hope all of you followed. You cannot do this all by distance formula. It's a long way, and you can get the value by this is the format. Property applied. Okay. Don't try to do it by distance formula. You'll not get the answer. Did you follow? No. Okay. This is question number 7, 8. Akshara. Huh? Then I will read now. E is a comma minus 4. Minus 2b. 0 comma 2 are collinear. Okay.
If Q lies between P and R such that PR is equal to QR.
Q lies between P and R. QR is equal to 2PR.
2QR.
PR is equal to 2QR. Okay. Okay. So we need PR is equal to 2QR. We need the ratio between Q like S. So we have to get the complete. This is not the ratio we need. What ratio we need? What ratio we need? PQ upon QR. How will you get PQ? Subtract PR minus QR upon QR. That is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 1. That is PQ upon QR is equal to 1 by 1. If it is 1 by 1, what is your conclusion? But if Q is the midpoint, if not the section formula, you can apply of PR. So Q is the midpoint of P. The front bench I made to sit over here to so that you will study something and over here type pass please. You don't show that innocent face. With the other day you are not there means class was very quiet. Nobody was making any. Yes, sir. You ask everyone. So show prove one day that you are the yes. No. Very said no. I could make everyone to sit over here because you are not there. If you are here means I have to be careful. Don't become a nuisance all the time. 0, 2. X, Y minus 2, B. Use midpoint formula and solve it and show to me. Previously you used to sit in the front bench and used to do the sums. Nowadays that also no. Time pass only. I will send you back. Sit back and do anything. So. Use the midpoint formula, apply. Direct answer. Who got the answer A and B? Only Pratyush. Moksha. You. What is the value of A? Minus 4. I think your reflection formula. Midpoint formula. A is minus 4 and B equal to minus 1. Is it so? Got it? Done. You wrote this much only. Use the midpoint. That is right now the conditions. Continue. I written now, then formula right, substitute x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Replace x is what? Minus 2. A plus 0 divided by 2. Then y, b is equal to minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. Minus 4 is equal to 8. Then c is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. That is it. A is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 1. These are simple thing. All the steps, required step, I am giving. If not followed, you tell me. I'll explain. Aditya Nana, you could do. You will do fast now. Like yesterday, other day you are doing before me. I thought I was proud of you. And your own method you're doing. I thought already you know. You did M1 and do and all now. Ratio you took. I was thinking already this man studies.
Settings.
Don't tension now.
Oh, there was it.
Let's
Thank you, thank you.
have done already. Patil done. Which question done? Which question number? 7. Okay, this is 7 now. Then do the 8th. Arey, keep on. This is 8. 9. Okay, then do. 9 don't read.
The coordinates of the centroid of a triangle PQR are 2, minus 5.
Centroid is 2,
Minus 5.
okay,
If Q is equal to minus 6, 5,
minus 6,
5,
okay, Q,
and R is equal to 11, 8,
11, 8,
calculate the coordinates of both of P.
okay. So, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So, we have two coordinates, let's say x2, y2 and x3, y3. We have to find out x1, y1. We need to find out coordinate. So, we have, are you following this man? Are you following? Yeah. Following or not? Therefore, the formula is x is equal to centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. The y is equal to substitute and get the value. Tata, you should get me for everyone. All values are written on there. You have followed now? Okay, then do it. So x1 is not given. X is given, y is given. X1, y1, careful while doing substitutions. All divided by 3. Completely divided by 3, no? X1 is not given, X is given, careful while doing. Saxena, are you following anything? Do you know which chapter we are doing? 6. Oh, thank you. Do you know what is midpoint formula? My dear friends. Done. What is the value of x1?
11.
Who got x1 is equal to 11? Oh, thank you. No. What if then y1 is automatically wrong? Minus 28. I will slap or you will slap yourself. Look here now. Look. X is what? 2. X1, we don't know. X2, how much? Minus 6 plus 11 divided by 3.
Hi, sir.
Sir, 2, 3, sir, 6.
Sir,
Yeah.
before you heard the question now,
Before I
you
get
took your 1, not 11.
Yeah. 6 minus 5. X1 is equal to 1. Then y. So what? Then y you should get correct now? Huh?
So part,
Why you should get correct now? Why didn't you get y get correct?
but why I got correct?
Y is how y1 is how much? Very good. he got correct. Okay, minus 50. Y1. Little brain is working for him. Okay, good. Adam,
Yes, sir.
still hope is there. 1 comma minus 20. Okay. This time he will do without mistake. Okay, good. Chalo. Next one.
The last two.
Question number
10.
10. Okay, you read. That's not a problem. Okay. Ajay, read.
The midpoint of the line segment joining 2a, 4 and minus 2, 2.
2a comma
4 and minus 2, 2b
minus 2 comma 2b
is 1, 2a plus 1.
1 comma 2a plus 1.
Find the values of a and b.
Okay, look here. The midpoint is given. So this is x1, y1. x2, y2. Minus 2 comma minus 2b. X comma y. 1 comma 2a plus 1. Coordinates are correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, midpoint formula. Now this one, all of you do it. Y is equal to y1 plus y2. Kadam, all values are correct now? Get the value of a. Midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2. 1 is equal. Should I substitute and show? X. Do it here. Or the answer is not coming. Okay. This time you will tell the answer. Done. Then. That's another. A and B you got.
A equals to
Nobody, this one did not get. A is equal to 2.
yes, sir.
Very good.
B is equal to
Saxena, this man still, he is not substituting. 1 is equal to 2a minus 2 by 2. 2 is equal to 2a minus 2. 4 is equal to 2a, a is equal to 2. Then 2a plus 1, y1, 4 minus 2b by 2. This time what was the problem? 2 into 2 plus 1 times 2. 4 minus 2b. That is 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 2s are 10. Minus 4 into minus 2b. B is equal to how much? Minus 3, no? 3 or minus 3? B is minus 3, no? What is 4a minus 2b, no? What? This is minus 2b, no? What? Here plus 2b or minus 2b? Who read this question? Got him. A, so check. Three times is the question. Is it okay? Nada, Nada will read the question. Okay, read the question. Yeah, Nada, Aditya, read the question. Without mistake, okay? Huh?
Given a line ABCD
Huh.
in which AB equal to BC,
AB is equal to BC.
yes, equal to CD,
Uh-huh.
B is equal to 0, 3, मेरा बैग है.
B is equal to
0,
0, 3. Then
C equal to 1,
1 A.
find the coordinates of A and D.
A and D. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A is equal to 0, 3. B, sorry, B is 0, 3. And C is how much? 1, 8. And D we don't know. A and D. How do you find out? How do you find out? Simple. Midpoint. What is the midpoint of what? B is the midpoint of AC. And C is the midpoint of BD. All of you do it. Without mistake do it. Right, I will write the steps. D is midpoint of AC. See, Saxena also got the answer correct. X1, Y1 we don't have. X2, Y2 is 1, 8. And X, Y is 0, 2. Then use the midpoint formula and get X1, Y1. Now the people are not getting the answer. This man not getting answer. But you are not giving. This man, another one. And this fellow. You 2, 3, 4 are not never give the answer. Most don't look at others. You do the. Ajay, done. Put. One put. Ashkazam, if you want, you can get the answer without mistake. Prove yourself. You are also.
Report it, X is minus 1, X is 4.
-1 and 4.
8.
Minus 1,
Y1 is 6.
-2 there till it. Finally, again, he successfully failed. Attendance is score here. That is, look here, 0.
So fighting, sir.
Who is fighting?
Yes.
0. X1 is equal to -1.
I got it, sir.
The fair. And Y is what? 3 is equal to Y1 plus 8. Y2. 6. Y1 plus 8. Y1 is equal to -2. Therefore, coordinate of A is -1, -2. Okay. Second one. Now write. C is the midpoint. This one okay without mistake. Okay. C is the midpoint of BD. C is midpoint of BD. Up 5. Right? What one? X1, Y1. 0, 3. X2, Y2 we don't have. X, Y. 1, 8. And the others are completed. That's why they are clean. Window. Akshara got the answer.
X2 is 2.
Ariki got the answer. You copied from her. Stand up. Tell the section formula. X1 into. Correct. Okay.
2 F1 upon F1 plus
Midpoint was.
five for 2 5
A means
Let it be there. Who will reply? Withdraw it already. Let me there. You don't do anything, you do the work. Very. Get the answer. Where is their answer?
Y2 is 13, X2 is
13, 4. 13, 2, 30. Leave me now. So, therefore, 1 is equal to 0 plus x2 by 2. X2 is equal to 2. 8 is equal to how much? 3 plus y2. That's y2. 16 is equal to 3 plus y2 is equal to 30. Therefore, coordinate of D is 2, 30. Did you get? Not
Yes,
yet.
sir.
Yeah. Next question. L. Okay. Write the question. Right.
Sir,
P.
is
Right. Written. I have written the coordinates P, Q, R. 3, 5, minus 1, 3, 7, comma, minus 3 are the midpoints of AB, BC, CA. Are the midpoints of AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC.
PCM.
AB, BC, CA. Okay, of triangle ABC. Find the coordinate of ABC. Find the coordinate of ABC. Below. Second, centroid of triangle ABC. Third, centroid of triangle PQR. They are the midpoints of AB, BC, CA. Written of triangle ABC. Question, find coordinates of A, B, and C. Second, centroid of triangle ABC. Third, centroid of triangle PQR. You pushing me? P 3, 5. Stop talking. Do you know how to do this one?
No, sir.
Did you mark these all things?
No.
Draw the figure. Draw figure. Drawn. Then below write P is the midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. Therefore, 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, equation 1. Y value 5 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. That is y1 plus y2 is equal to 10. Second equation. Pratyush, you got the answer? What are the answers? This question. That means you have not started doing also. Then Q midpoint of BC minus 1 is equal to x2 plus x3 by 3. Sorry, not by 3, by 2. x2 plus x3 minus 2. Equation 3. 3 is equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. y2 plus y3 is equal to 6. Condition 4. Then third one, R is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, 7 is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2. x1 plus x3, 14, condition 5. And minus 3 is equal to y1 plus y3 divided by 2. y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 6, condition number 6. So 6 equations you got. Now, listen, to solving it is not difficult. Various ways you can do. You have to all the values here, 6 unknown things are there, 6 equations are there. How to do this one means simpler ways. Take 1, 3, and 5. Add all the 3. Adding 1, 3, and 5. You will see 2 times x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to. You can get what is it? 6 minus 2, 4 plus 14, 18. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 18 by 2, 9. Check the steps. Now, From here, you substitute what is the value of x1 plus x2, that is 6. From 1, 6 plus x3 is equal to 9, reason from 1. Therefore, x3 is equal to 9 minus x 3. Substitute now anywhere, let's say, anywhere we substitute, let's say x2 plus x2. That is x2 is equal to minus 5. x1 plus x2, 6. x1 minus 5 is equal to 6. x1 is equal to 11. You got all the coordinates of x1, x2 and x3. Same way the other three do it. You people do the same swap. You have to do it. Get the answer. Add 2, 4 and 6. The same format, do it. You'll get y1, y2, y3. Check what did you get. Who got the answer? Pratyush has not started writing or what happened? AC, my AC, what happened? Switch off. Other than these people are feeling hot. You shift one bench behind. One or two benches behind you shift now. No, how can you sit down? You can't sit in the lap of Pratyush. Get the answer. And they go one bench behind, nobody will take and go. Or Pratyush will be there, don't worry. Oh, you can't leave him now. Inseparable. But previously, the Ryan was there always. Okay, no problem. So that's very good. I think move to one bench behind, somebody will be okay now. Who got Y1, Y2? Got it? You? Got it? No. Array take R 2, 3, 4 and 6. 2 times. Ah, sir, it's here to do now. Who got? Y R 2, 4 and 6. 2 times. Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 is equal to 10 plus 6 minus 6, that is equal to 10. That is Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 is equal to 5. Y1 plus Y2 is 10. 10 plus Y3 is equal to 5. Y3 is equal to how much? Minus 5. Substitute. Y2 plus Y3 is equal to 6. Y2 is equal to 11. Then next is Y1 plus 11 is equal to 10. Y1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, coordinate of A 11 comma minus 1. Coordinate of B x2 y2, which is x2 y2 minus 5 11. Coordinate of C 3 comma minus 5. This is your first part. Now, next is you have to find out the centroid of ABC. Direct force. Who got the centroid of triangle ABC? Apply x1 plus x2 plus right. Centroid of triangle ABC. X1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Already you have x1 plus x2 plus x3 is how much? 9 by 3. And this is how much? 5 by 3. That is equal to 3 comma 5 by 3. Now, second part. This is the second part you got. What is the third part we need? Centroid of PQR. Most of the people are not doing the sum. Pratish has not done. Arush not done. Shama not done. Natar. behind not done. PQR again. 3 plus minus 1 plus 7 divided by 3. Then second one, 5 plus 3 minus 3 divided by 3. That is 9 by 3, comma 5 by 3. That is equal to 3, comma 5 by 3. Have you seen something? Centroid of ABC and centroid of PQR are same thing. Now that you can remember, sometimes MCQ comes. If you are drawing the triangle joining the midpoints, the centroids will remain the same. Any midpoint joining the triangle, the centroid will remain the same. Sometimes they will ask find the centroid of ABC. ABC will be same as centroid of PQR. That's a property. But these all sometimes calculation comes, you have to do it. It's all direct midpoint formula and centroid formula applied. Be careful. Calculation when it comes, majority doesn't do. Oh yeah, oh nice. Break is there, no, that time you want. Okay, must have learned all. No. Let's see how. Sure. Blood is coming. Ajay, blood is coming, sure. Ajay, blood.
Wow.
Blood is coming. Don't touch. Will come out.
You are
You all good.
You first you on Monday, sir.
Go. Then
That's not right.
Then the
Come here, come here. रिक्शा वाला रिक्शा वाला फीलिंग योर ऊपर आ my bad, sorry. My book EMI. Beat him, Rajesh. इसको बोला है आगे वाला इसको दाढ़ी वाला अच्छा भाई किस पे ये सब वाले सेक्शन में क्या लिखा है चलो भाई कहां अरे मैं दाढ़ी लेके क्या कर रहा है ये कर रही सिग्नेचर ये ट्रिप है क्या आज का बापरे क्या लॉक क्या है
And I said, yes. Yes, you don't, you but make sure that four will be not wrong. And these two will not be wrong. Now,
Well, I should not let me go.
can you give my? There is the other one. Hey, where is he? You're making fun of me. His bag is with you. Hey, you sit over there. No problem.
Very good, down.
So, Jayal, you are going to sit there. Yeah. Where is this man? Up. You want to be behind, where? This side, you know.
Want to study.
You want to sit that side.
Versus in your life. You have to study. Give me motivation.
Yeah. Ashkadam, if I see you sit and talk over there, means I will send you out from the class. Is it clear? I need to see all the, no, that AC will be on.
Punishment.
Not required, let it be ritual. Okay. Now listen all of you. All of you. All of you listen. Stop talking now. Aryan, be quiet. Yeah, write down the close the volume, all of you. Or we close the volume, write these 2 or 3 questions and then we will finish. Or no, you do instead of that one of you, you open the volume from there and be the book. Page number. Page on 143. 143. Question number 13. Page what? Yeah. Question number 13. 113. Harsh Kadam, stand up. Do you hear to stand up? Take the notebook. Close your notebook. Close your notebook. Yeah, where is your bag? Come here. Come here. Huh? Well, you don't know. Come here.
Then now if I talk to throw it out of
I'll throw this bag away, remember. What happened to you? Yeah, no discussions. How many of you got the answer? Question number 13. Nadar got the answer? Yeah. Arya, stand up. You, did you get the answer? Take out the book. Stand up. Yeah, Arush, send him out from there. Go behind. Whose is that bag? Whose bag is that one? So what are you carrying all these machines?
Sir, all the
Those who got the answer, stand up. Full chapter done, all so-called, experts and all are doing. I can see only 4 people standing. What is your ratio you got? 1:1. What is the point of intersection?
Y is equal to
Means
0.3.
0,3. Those who got these answers, sit down. And others, what is happening? Write down x1, y1. X1, y1 is 5,3. X2, y2 minus 5, 3. Chapter over, still one ratio even you cannot do. X1, y1, I3. X2, y2 minus 5, 3. Stop talking now. X comma y. It is on y-axis 0 comma y. Ratio you have to find out m1 is to m2. K is to 1. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. 4 people only could do this one. Now, done will come. Yeah. That is 0 is equal to k times minus 5 plus 1 time 5 divided by k plus 1. 0 is equal to minus 5k plus 5. 5k is equal to 5. K is equal to 1. Therefore, ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1. If you want to apply midpoint formula, you can apply or section formula to find out y. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. That is equal to 1 time 3 plus 1 time 3 divided by 1 plus 1. Therefore, the point is 0 comma 3. So the two answers, 1 is to 1 and 0 comma 3. Who asked you to come this side? You don't need the volume. You move to this side as if with the volume you are doing. I will give volume for you. You move to this side, I will give the volume for you. Yeah. Where is your volume? Where is your volume, sir? Where is your volume? Huh? What? Where is your volume? Where is your volume? Volume to. Where is your volume? I didn't. These all things you know, no? I got it. Yeah. Who's it that volume? Huh? Why? Volume? Volume to you, bro. Nonsense, I don't need to see over here. Then that's it. One more question. Let's see how many we can do it. Question number 8, page 142, question 8. 142, right, previous board question. Previous board question, question number 8. Previous board question, question number 8. All parts you got? Huh? Length you got? Length of AP. Three things you have to find out: ratio, value of X, and length of AP. How many of you got the ratio? What is the ratio you got? 1:1. How many of you got ratio 1:1? 1:3. 1:3 or 1:1?
1:3.
Who got 1:3? Ratish, what is the answer you got ratio? Yeah. There's a Mox. Read the question.
Calculate the ratio in which the line joining A, both -4, 2
-4, 2.
and B, 3, 6
Uh,
is divided by the point P, x, 3.
X, 3.
Find x and length of AP.
Okay. You have to find out the ratio length. So first you will get the ratio. Ratio to do y coordinate you apply. That is 3 is equal to k times 6 plus 1 times 2 divided by k plus 1. 3k plus 3. 6k plus 2. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 3k. 1/3 is equal to k. Therefore, the ratio is equal to m1 is to m2 is equal to 1:3. That is your first answer. Now you have to find out x. X is equal to formula m1 times x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. That is 3 minus 12 by 4. That is minus 9 by 4. You got minus 9 by 4. Therefore, the point P is minus 9 by 4 comma 3. Now, next is here to find out length of AP. Root of x2 minus x1 minus 9 by 4 plus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Who is that singing? He is singing. You're singing? That is equal to 16 minus 9, 7 by 4 whole square plus 1 square. 49 by 16 plus 1. That is 65 by 16. Root 65 divided by 4. Who get this answer? None. Distance you do not find. Distance formula you have to apply minus 9 by 4 plus 4. That is 7 and 3 minus 2, 1. Root 65 by 4. This also majority could not complete. In fact, length distance nobody could do. You did. Then ratio somebody did 1:1. And you put most of you got 1:3. That is correct. And also some of you got distance nobody could do it. Now, Ryan Nerul, for your revision, what all the chapters are coming? Equation of line is not coming, no? Your school equation of line is done.
Yes. Yes.
We will do first. Circle will do, then we do the equation of the line. Circle is a lengthy and a little difficult. We do everything which means it will not work. So first we do circle part. Then we'll do the equation of the line. Okay. Volume 2 is there now.
Circle is very extra.
After little tension, you should get now. Otherwise, everything together will be problem for you. Yeah. Now listen here. Circle is the main part of the geometry part. Over there, theorems are coming. You have to think and apply. It is not that just theorem by no means you can apply. Think there are main 2, 3, 4 theorems are there. I tell you that theorems, if you know me, most of the questions you can do. In that is been this year, it has been divided into 2 exercises. You can see both exercises means around 35 questions are there in the classwork itself. That is the main part you do, along with that one homework also you have to do. Okay, chapter, which is chapter 17, right? Main things I will discuss, then after that we will one theorems I will explain. Chapter heading like circle. Circle, chapter 17. Right. What is circle, right? Set up all points in a plane. Circle. Set up all points in a plane. Set of all points in a plane which are equidistant. Set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Equidistant from a fixed point. Fixed point. Next line. The fixed point is called. What is the fixed point? Center. The fixed distance is called radius. Fixed point is called the center and the fixed distance is called radius. Here, what is center? What is center over here? O. Radius. I can take any point on the circle, let's say P. If I join, OP is the radius. All of you listen now. Hello? Written? Now listen, certain parts I will explain, then one thing see it. First is, when you say about the circle, mean this curve is circumference only is circle. Okay, the circumference only is circle. Is it center is a point on the circle? Is it center is a point on the circle? No response. No. Center is inside. Akshara wanted to explain all these things. Everyone stop, then you start all these things. Center is a point inside the circle. So circle divide the plane into 3 set of points. Points interior circle, points on the circle, points exterior to the circle. Okay, where is P? On the circle. Suppose if I take 3 points, A, B, C, then where is A? Inside the circle. Where is B? On the circle. C, outside circle. How to identify whether the point is inside the circle? It should be inside. Very good. Very good. Write down. If a point is inside the circle, then its distance from the center. If a point inside the circle, then its distance from the center is less than radius. Distance from the center is less than radius. Are you followed? In questions, they will give the circle with a radius 7 centimeter. P is a point whose distance from the center is 4 centimeter. Locate P. Where is P? Inside the circle, like that. If it is equal to the radius means what will you get? Point on the circle. More than the radius means exterior to the circle. This much is clear, all of you. So circle, do you know what is the meaning of circular region? Which region? What is it? Which part? In all the interior and the circumference together is called the circular region. Are you followed? Circumference and interior together is called the circular region. And its area, you know. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. What is the circumference? 2 pi r. The geometry, you know. R is the radius. Now, next, one by one terms I am going to explain. First one. Harsh. Do you know what is written on the board? What is it? Do you know what is the chord? What is the chord?
Divides one part.
Huh? Little more. Tell. Chord is what? Tell. Correct.
It divides the circle into two parts.
Little more. Okay. If chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. What is the chord? Line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Is it OP is the chord? Radius is not the chord. How many chords can be drawn? Infinite. Through a point, how many chords can be drawn? Infinite. How many chords, parallel chords can be drawn? Infinite. How many equal chords can be drawn? Infinite. Are you followed or not? This one. Next is, which is the longest chord? Diameter. Diameter means the chord which passes through the center. What is the relation between diameter and radius? Is equal to twice the radius. These all things all of you know. Chord, I don't need to explain anything. Next part, listen there. Next is called arc. Yes. Not arc written. What do you mean by arc? Are you close that volume? You know the close that volume? Do you know?
It divides
Divides.
into two.
Yeah,
So chord divides.
Chord divides into equal part. There is no equal part over here coming. Okay. Here, listen here. Arc of a circle means any part of its circumference. Are you followed? Arc of a circle means any part of the circumference. Do you know how many types of arcs? Yeah. There are 3 types of arcs are there. One is called minor arc, second one is called major arc, third one is semicircle. Now look here, A and B. A and B divide the circle into 2 parts. The smaller one is called minor arc. The other one is called the major arc. Now if the division is equal, means suppose if it is coming at here, the center over here, and I join. See, this part and this part are equal, then both the parts are called which one? Semicircle. Now, when you write RKB, do you know which is RKB? Is it minor or major arc? It's always minor arc. If you want to write major arc, always you have to write major RKB. Or with another letter like ACB, if it is C is there. Otherwise, 2 letter means always you have to write major RKB. If I write this one, what is RKDB? Minor arc. If I write ADB, ADB, you cannot conclude it is major arc, that you have to identify. Simply if I write RKD, if I simply write RKD, what type of arc? It is always minor arc. Okay? Are you followed all of you? Minor arc, major arc. Problem? Now, next is central angle or angle subtended by an arc at the center. Listen carefully. This is a property we need to discuss and you should know it. Consider the RKB. See, consider the RKB. Over here. Angle AOB. Have you seen that? You all know, so I'll go to the theorems one by one. He's calling. You give one slap to him.
Sir, Harsh was telling me to turn off the 87 cents.
So, Harsh is your baby or what? Or is your father? Any relation here?
7 cents.
So why you are talking him?
He called me.
Sir.
Then he will not be off. And nobody need to do anything. I know you very well. You don't do anything. Okay. Have you heard about rotten apple? So, behave yourself. As if I didn't do anything. Yeah. Next. So, I am going to discuss about central angle. Central angle of an arc. It is called the angle subtended by an arc at the center. Consider the arc AB. Have you seen the arc AB? Angle AOB is the angle subtended by arc AB at the center. This angle, suppose if I take this one, CD, Do you know what is the angle subtended by arc CD at the center? How do you get the angle subtended by arc CD at the center? Join OC and OD, angle COD for the minor arc. Now, again the people are talking there. Whatever here also not shameful. Then, do you know what is the angle subtended by arc BC at the center? Angle BOC, that is for the minor arc. Suppose if we see the major arc KB, what is the angle subtended by major arc KB at the center? This part, that is called which angle? Reflex angle AOB. Angle subtended by major arc AB is equal to reflex angle AOB. Followed? Now, third one, if a semicircle, then what is the angle subtended by semicircle at the center? Look, which is the angle subtended by semicircle at the center? 180 degree. So right. Angle subtended by SUB EN subtended by angle subtended by minor arc AB at the center O. Angle subtended by minor arc AB at center O is angle AOB. Angle subtended by minor arc AB at the center O is angle AOB. Next line. Angle subtended by, Harsh, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Angle subtended by major arc AB. Major arc AB at the center is reflex angle AOB. Reflex angle AOB. Angle subtended by major arc AB at the center is reflex angle AOB. Third one, angle subtended by semicircle. Angle subtended by semicircle at the center is 180 degree. Minor arc, major arc, semicircle. Written. These all things are clear? Yeah. Very nice. I made you to sit over here now. You only jumped and ran away then. Go sit and enjoy. Nice, no? Next turn. Do you know what you mean by equal circles? What do you mean by equal circles? Means circles of the same radii. Equal circles or congruent circles. Are you followed? What are equal circles? Circles of the same radii. If circles of the same center, right? Concentric circles, right? Circles with the same center. Circles with the same center are called concentric circles. Same center are called concentric circles. Equal circle and concentric. Let's shift from there, and if you are feeling cold, move. No, I will do it. Oh, this everybody is feeling cold. Very well experienced. Yeah. Circles with the same center. No flap up. Let it be like that only. You cannot move from there. No, AC should be adjusted. Your problem. Why you have to think about it? You don't need to represent. Okay, representation. If you are feeling cold, you shift from there. So then what is your representation? Yeah. Right. Written. Concentric circle means circles with the same center. Next one. Next one. Right. Inscribed circle. Inscribed circle means circle inside a polygon. Inscribed circle means circle inside a polygon and touching all the sides. Circle inside the polygon and touching all the sides. Did you write? Circle inside a polygon and touching all the sides. Are you followed? Like here. This is inscribed circle. Ins- Polygon means it can be any sided figure, 3-sided, 4-sided. Next. With all of you inscribed circle. Second one, circumscribed circle. Circumscribed, CIRCUM. Circumscribed. Circumscribed. Right, circle passes through all the vertices of the polygon. Circle passes through all the vertices of the polygon. Circle passes through all the vertices of the polygon. Like here, this one. Pratyush, don't circumscribe anything. Okay, quietly sit. Now, look all of you. In this figure, which circle is, which type of circle? Circumscribed. Therefore, the polygon is inscribed. Here, circle is inscribed. Therefore, the triangle is circumscribed. One which is outside is called circumscribed. One which is inside is called. These are the basic concepts of the circle. We discussed about what is a circle, center, radius, diameter, chord. Then the properties will come as arc, different types of arcs, central angle of the arc, then different types of circles we studied, equal circle, concentric circle, inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. These all properties are clear? No problem. Now we are going to discuss about one by one theorems. Theorem 1. Some of the 5 today, what are 5, 6 theorems I am going to give. That are theorems we did previously also. Right, theorem 1. Equal chords, theorem 1. Equal chords. Well, chords, CHORDS, equal chords, subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords, subtends equal angles at the center. Equal chords, subtends equal angles at the center. Are you followed? What is the meaning? Whichever not followed, you tell me. Before going, one more not followed. Let's tell not followed, I'll explain. Anyone need an explanation? Not required. Okay. Second theorem. You're not followed. Look, the meaning is this one. If there is a circle, let's say this is AB is a chord, and another chord, let's say CD. If these two chords are equal, they form equal angles at the center. If AB and CD are equal, which angles will be equal? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Are you followed? Okay, second theorem. Right, second theorem. If two chords of a circle, yes, this is the second theorem. How many theorem? Why need an allow you? I don't know. Sorry. Huh? I don't know. Somebody give it to them. Right, if two chords of this is real from Pratish we started.
So can you comment on this?
Right, if two chords of a circle, you people can't listen to me, no? Why should I listen to you? If two chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, if two chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. If two chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. Do you follow what is the second theorem? If two chords, these angles are equal, then the respective chords are equal. That's the second theorem. Okay. Now, before going to the next theorem, do you know what I mean by sector of a circle? Who knows? Yes. Tell. A region enclosed between arc and two radii. Are you followed the sector? This one. Sector of a circle. So this one, this is a sector. Even this is the other part also is a sector. Okay. Minor sector and major sector. Understood? Slices, pieces of slices, sector it come. Okay. Sector you followed, you should know. How about semicircle? Is it a sector? That is also sector. Semicircle has different things. Are there? Semicircle has an arc. Semicircle can be a sector. Semicircle can be segment. Do you know what you mean by segment of a circle? Should I make you to write sector of a circle? Followed what is sector of the circle? Segment of the circle. Region enclosed between chord and the, like over here. If I take one chord, this region is called the segment. You should know, right? What is segment of a circle? The segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. It is a region enclosed between chord and the chord, CHORD. Region enclosed between chord and the arc. Then, if the arc is minor, arc is minor, then the segment is minor segment. Arc is minor, the segment is minor segment. And if it is major, the segment is major segment. Major, then it is major segment. Written all of you? Okay. Now, theorem. So two theorems you wrote now. Third theorem. Theorem 3. Right, third theorem. Perpendicular drawn from the center. Theorem 3. Perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. Perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. I hope all of you followed. Those who are not followed, raise the hand so I'll explain. Cannot follow. Perpendicular drawn from the center. Are you followed? What is it? Chael followed. Okay, what is it? Tell Chael. What bisects the chord? Also, in this figure, what is it? Tell na. Why are you calling girls? That's she has to suppose she's your servant out. So then they can move. No. I said, 4 people, if you want to change the place, you will not change, no, sit over there. Not required. We all are, remaining all the people are perfectly fine. No, sit there. Don't move from there. Don't move. Sit over there. Yeah. Divide into 2 equal parts. Hello? Who asked it? Nobody will touch that AC. Sit over there, sit over there, then we will be on contact. Okay? But every day you come and sit straight to the AC. Okay. Stand up from there. Move 2 benches behind. Yes, you. Go to this side. Sit in front of Aryan. Let him get the direct air only, then he'll be perfect. Son. Yeah. 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 Okay. This part only, the remaining part will be perfectly fine. Something is frozen, we will not work. Yeah. Written all of you. Now, that is the third theorem. Fourth theorem. Theorem four. There are 12, 14 theorems. Out of which these are simple ones only. These all you people use lot of time. Theorem number 4. All the theorems are most of the theorems are converse of each. Now, the line drawn from the center. Line drawn from the center, which bisects the chord. Line drawn from the center, which bisects the chord. Line drawn from the center, which bisects the chord, is perpendicular. Line drawn from the center, which bisects the chord, is perpendicular. This is the theorem for line drawn, converse of the theorem. Okay, Ananya, tell what is the fourth theorem says in this figure.
Center which bisecting the chord is perpendicular.
Means what? Is the tell what is given and what to prove. Arush Saxena, stand up from there. Arush Patil, stand up from there. Bring your book over here. There you bring the book over here. Sit in the front bench. Here, this side. Yeah, tell.
There's AB the chord and OC bisects AB, so OC
AB is the chord and OC bisects AB. Means AC and CB are equal. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB. Can you prove it? The tell now, stand up. Which two triangles congruent?
AOC and
The prove they are congruent. Where is 90 degree? You have to prove 90 degree. AC is equal to CB given.
OA is equal to
OA is equal to OB, that also given.
radius.
OC is common, therefore the two triangles are constituted by SSS. Now still not perpendicular, did not get. Therefore, angle OCA is equal to angle OCB, CPCTC. Their sum is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Two angles are equal and their sum is 180, means each is equal to 90 degree. Understood? Okay, sit down. This all what are no, sit down. No, don't move. Now, perfect now. Okay, go back. There. No, you sit down there. You will sit down there. You will not be moved. Okay. No, I will just put the plan. I put you over here now. That time you wanted to go now. Please. Now, enjoy. Let him enjoy. And Anali will come. Yeah, this is done all of you. Bengali? Yeah. Done. You also go behind. Oh, Pangi.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all of you. Okay. Theorem 4 is all the 4 theorems are clear. These all theorems we don't apply much. The theorems which you're going to apply is coming only. Next one, these 3 more theorems I'll give, that also not applications much over this. Now. Yeah, right. Write down. Theorem 5. There is one and only one circle. One and only one circle. Theorem 5. One and only one circle. There is one and only one circle passing through. one and only one circle passing through what happened? Japan is over. Passing through three non-collinear points. One and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. Now look here, practically you don't have any application of this theorem, only sometimes in MCQ or something. Look, do you know what I mean by non-collinear points? Ariki, do you know what I mean by non-collinear points? Do not lie on the same line. Suppose if I take A, C and B, are they collinear or non-collinear? A, C and B are collinear or non-collinear? They are collinear. If I take A, B, C, non-collinear. Then, if you take three non-collinear points, how many circles are there? Always there is one circle and that is only unique circle passing through that one. Now, if you consider three Akshara standard there, I had to put you there. That is why. Then, if you consider 3 points collinear, Kadam is waiting and send them to you. Yeah, 3 collinear points. There is no circle passing through this one. Are you followed? When 3 points are collinear, you cannot draw a circle. If you consider one single point, do you know how many circles can draw? Infinite. If you take 1 point, infinite. Even if I take 2 points A and B, do you know how many circles passing through? Then also infinite circle. Okay, through 1 point, infinite circle, through 2 points also, infinite circle. If 3 points are there are 2 different cases. First case is if they are collinear, there is no circle. They are non-collinear. How many circles are there? 1 circle. Remember this one. Why I'm telling this one? Sometimes in MCQs come, then you have to write. Okay, that is theorem 5. Theorem 6. Right, equal chords. Theorem number 6. Which theorem? 1, 2, 3 counting, you know, no? How many theorems you wrote? Sada.
6.
This is 6. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Written. Then write theorem 7. Theorem 7. If 2 chords are equidistant from the center, if 2 chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. If 2 chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. 2 chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. Look over here. Theorem 7 and 8 now it's a theorem and it's converse. Do you know what is the theorem 7 says? If chord AB and chord PQ are equal, when chord AB and chord PQ are equal, then the distances, these distances are equal. Let's say OC is equal to OR distances. When 2 chords are equal, then the distances are equal. Opposite. When the distances are equal, then the chords are equal. Now these 7 theorems, this if you remember in the 9th standard in the circle, you have studied all these 7 theorems. We used these all things in the 7th standard, and basically it was application of the Pythagoras theorem to find out the sides and all, and proving congruence. These are the things we have done. We are going to study the most important theorem which of the 10th standard. You will see most of the question and the remaining theorems are based on this theorem. I mean, there are 4 theorems we are going to study, 4 or 5 theorems because cyclic quadrilateral also. And based on that, this theorem, there are 2 exercises. Means main theorem is the one which is going to explain that while writing itself, you will learn. Hello, you will be the first person to give that statement. Okay, so write the theorem. Theorem number 8. Yes. No, Pratyush wanted a lot of things. Your Pratyush, who is he? You are his servant, or so he will tell all the. Mind your work. You also paid, the money Pratyush has paid. Pratyush, supporters account. If he wants, he will tell me. Okay? Write down. Angle subtended. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it. At any point on the remaining part of the circle. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. At any point on the remaining part of the circle. If you write the statement, everyone will tell me, then only I'll send you home. You have to learn it. And I'll show the figure, what is the meaning. If you are taking angle, I will explain the figure. Listen, I don't need anyone to close the book. Yeah, Nada, listen. The theorem, please learn by that time. I'll draw one figure. Look. Here. If I consider RKB, that is minor RKB, then what is the remaining part of the circle? What is the remaining part of the circle? Major RKB. If I consider major RKB, what is the remaining part of the circle? Minor RKB. This much is clear? Center. Now look here. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. So what is the angle subtended by arc at the center? Angle AOB is double the angle. So take any point. Let's just see. Now look here. The theorem what says? Angle subtended by an arc at the center, that is angle AOB, is double the angle subtended by this arc at any point of the remaining part. Therefore, what is it? Angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. This is the most important theorem of this chapter. You have to remember, there is no short form of this theorem. Name of the theorem is not there. You have to explain whenever reason writing, you have to stand up. Tell the theorem. Don't read from the book. No, again, 3 times you look in the book. Okay, close the book. Okay, then. Next is Shaba equal to tell. So don't look in the other's book. Okay, okay. I know. Stand over there and learn. Yes, stand up. After the Katham is well. The theorem is the same theorem. Louder, I can't hear. It is, can you hear anything? No. No. Stand and learn. Okay, Kadam, stand up and learn. Tell.
Subtended by the arc at the center is and the
That is wrong. And
and is double the angle subtended at any other point.
stand and learn, don't worry. Okay, if you want to hear from others, Pratyush stand up. Tell.
Subtended by minor arc.
No need to tell minor arc, any arc. Arc at the center.
Double the angle subtended by the same arc center.
Any point of the remaining part of the circle. Sit down. Yeah, you said I will. Okay, tell, let me hear. We'll listen to him what if he is telling that.
The angle subtended at the center is the
Subtended by what?
by the
By the.
by an area.
By an area. Some area.
And the center is.
You want to be careful from others. So, Saxena, tell. I will call him 40 Lord. by the over.
By the R.
Huh.
And R. Is the over.
Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Oh, is very good. Nice future. No, plan cleaning. You know, we need the person. So we will call you. 5 rupees per file. Acha, he will get them. Huh? What? Acha, if you want 5 rupees each. Remaining part we will discuss in the next one.
Thank you.
Hello?
पढ़ाई करना है भाई पढ़ाई करना है
पहले करना चाहिए था।
What is?
किधर हाँ
अरे चलना आगे बढ़ना है सब कहाँ
पढ़ाई कर
यहाँ पे रखता equal to frequency of wavelength.
अबे कहाँ है मेरा बेटा उनका स्किल है कहाँ जा रहा है उसे उधर उनको टाइम लेते हैं यार
अरे नहीं इधर चल दिखाना अरे उसका भी फोक्सा के पास लगा है आठ मिनट है उसका साइंस
अभी
Never think. Yeah.
चल thank you.
ते बंद करून दे.
Thank you. Thank you.